This is the material I'm going to use. It's a clay-coated board, brown, and on the other side is white. I'm going to start the measurement here. The first measurement would be for the cover of the box. It's 4 inches. And next is 3 inches for the right side. Then the bottom is 3 inches also. And on the left side is 3 inches. Then the cover again is 4 inches. And in here, it's should be the same measurement. Then I have to get the measurement also on the vertical side of the box, and the measurements are all the same. And I will have to connect all the markings, so I can form a line. This is the base or the bottom of the box, and these are the sides, and these are the covers. And since I'm going to make it like this shape, it's V shape, and from here I will have to measure 1/2 inch. I'll do the same thing in here. This is the middle or the center of the board, and from this corner, I will connect it to the markings I have made earlier. And then I have to do the same on the sides. And now I will do the cover. I will make it a V shape also, so I have to measure in order to get the center. I am just getting the middle of the 4 inches. This is the top cover of the box. And then I'm going to connect it, but the point of reference is this. This is the one I made earlier. Next is I'm going to cut out all the unnecessary portions. Okay, it's almost done. This is the bottom or the middle of the box. And these are the sides. then the covers. And now I am going to score. Just follow which one I am scoring. Scoring will be a guide for us to assemble the box, so it's easy for us to fold it. That's why we have to score using any pointed object but not sharp, so it won't cut the board. On the top cover, I will just make it a little curve, so I'll have to cut it out. On the top cover, I'm going to make a hole and I will use this puncher. This is where we are going to insert the tie when we assemble the box. And now I'm going to assemble it. You see, it will be easy for you if you scored properly. I'm going to use a double-sided tape in order to lock all the sides of the box. Okay, now it's done, guys. So this is now our box, and these are the sides, and the inside part is this one. And for the tie, I'm going to use this brown ribbon, and I will have to make a knot so it won't come out from the hole. Okay, and it's now done. So this is it. This is now our box. And now, guys, if you don't want the top cover to be very tall or the curve is very tall, then you can have to make it short. So I'll have to cut it out. I am now putting a simple decoration on top of the box, and this is also a DIY. I just made it out of colored paper. And guys, if you want to make this on your own, then you can click this link. Okay, so it's done. This is now our single cupcake box. Or you can make it as your souvenir or giveaway box. You can put the gift inside, and this will serve as your packaging box. You can make this for your birthday party, baptismal, wedding, or etc. You can also make a bigger size of this if your gift is big. You just have to follow the step I have shown you and just add the measurement or the size. Before you close this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell button so you will be updated. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video.